Hello friends, myself Vishal Garud. Today's point is the data types in Java. Data types specify the different size and values that can be stored in a variable. There are two types of data types. Primitive data types. The primitive data types includes boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float and double. Non-primitive data types. The non-primitive data types include classes, interfaces and arrays. There are 8 types of primitive data types. First, boolean data type. Second, byte data type. Third, char data type. Fourth, short data type. Fifth, int data type. Sixth, long data type. Seventh, float data type. Eighth, double data type. First, char data type. The char data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. The char data type is used to store character. Second point, byte data type. The byte data type is an example of primitive data type. It is an 8-byte signed to complement integer. Its value range lies between -128 to 127. Its minimum value is 128 and maximum value is 127. Its default value is 0. The byte data type is used to save memory in large arrays where the memory saving is most required. It saves space because a byte is 16 times smaller than an integer. It can also be used in place of int data type. Third point, short data type. The short data type is a 16-bit signed to complement integer. Its value range lies between -32,768 to 32,767. Its default value is 0. The short data type can also be used to save memory just like byte data type. A short data type is 2 times smaller than an integer. Fourth point, long data type. The long data type is a 64 bits to complement integer. Its default value is 0. The long data type is used when you need a range of values more than those provided by int data type. Fifth point, float data type. The float data type is signed precision 32 byte. Its value range is unlimited. It is recommended to use float data type. It needs to save the large arrays of floating and number. The float data type should never be used by the precision value currency. Its default value is 0.0f. 6 point, double data type. The double data type is a double precision 64-bit floating point. Its value range is unlimited. The double data type is generally used for decimal values just like float. The double data type also should never be used for the precise value such as currency. Its default value is 0.0t. Next point, boolean data type. The boolean data type is used to store only two possible values, true and false. Its data type is used for simple flags that tracks true false conditions. The boolean data type specifies 1 byte of information, but its size can't be defined precisely. Thank you.